Hello everybody and welcome to Caldera Creations. If you love making wreaths like I do, then this channel is for you. Today we are working on our beautiful 24-inch wreath. We are working with some beautiful pegs. Look at these lovelies. We got some holly berries. We also are making some cute little ribbons. Look at that. With that, we need our, always have your scissors and wire cutters out, mamas. On the project, like always, you can use extra wiring, extra glue. This one, we're going to need 5 pipe cleaners, about 7 inches. We're going to need 5 this beautiful wired Christmas design ribbon. This is 11 inches, 5 of these. We got this beautiful red one, 11-inch cross, 5 of these. This burlap, we got 11 inches, 5 of these. Okay, let's get this started. These are just little, easy to make little. Just put the ribbon down, the kind of ribbon design you want. And came off. Then we're going to get this right in here. Let me turn this around this way. Oh, now look at all the snow is on it here. Then we're going to grab these together like this and make sure they're both the same size. A little right there. There we go. We got it. We got it. We got it. Then you're just going to grab this, pull them up, and twist it. There it is with snow on it. We got beautiful ribbons. So let's bring our beautiful, I love my new wreath. I'm waiting for the cells to get more. We're just going to attach these around on our wreath. That, look at that. Then we're going to bring, let me see, where are we going to put these first? We got that one, and we got this one. Okay, like that. Kind of not too close. Okay, let's get this going. Just grab a piece, just twist this on tightly, and there we go here. Like that. Yeah, there we go. Another one. Twist that on. That looks beautiful, huh? Then we're going to take our pegs. These I got at the Walmart. We'll get these in here. Look at that. Then get another one up here. This wiring. Wow. There it goes. Look at that. How's it looking, everybody? Thumbs up. What do you guys think? Wow. I think this year I came out with some pretty nice wreaths, you know. I was looking at my wreaths from the past year. Every year it gets better. Just gotta practice and learn and visualize, and you got a beauty going on. Ay, ay, ay. I think I'm missing another bum, 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 little holly. Okay, well, I guess that's it right here. We got this. Look at this, everybody. Got another beauty going on here. Check this out. Wow. Some beautiful burlap, Christmas ribbons, some holly berries, some beautiful pegs, and look what you come out with, everybody. Woo! So beautiful. Once again, everybody, if you got any ideas or inspiration or just enjoyed my video, consider pressing, here it is, the subscribe button. I got it. And you will be notified of my upcoming videos. You'll also be helping my channel grow. So that much thank yous, everybody. Look at this. Now we got it. I found the other one. Hey. Thanks for watching my video, and like and share. And whoo, we still on that Christmas roll. So everybody have a great, wonderful, merry day. And don't forget to get that smile on. Thanks for watching.
Merry Christmas!